Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss an important topic, metallurgy. In every year there is a question for all competitive exams like CET, JEE and neet. Before going to metallurgy, we have to discuss few basic points about this chapter. Mode of occurrence. Elements occur in two modes, native form and combined form. What is meant by native form? The elements which are low reactive and do not attacked by oxygen, carbon dioxide, non-metals and etc. These are native form. For example, elements like silver, gold, platinum, copper, these all are in native form. Reactivity of these elements is very low and these are not affected by oxygen, carbon dioxide, non-metals and moisture also. Combined form. Elements which are reactive are occurring combined form. These are ready to react with carbon dioxide, oxygen, non-metals and even with moisture also. So these are reactive. So they occur in combined state. And we have few non-metals such as carbon, sulfur can exist in both native form as well as combined form. This we have to remember. Carbon and sulfur are occur in native form and combined form. So how to remember this native form and combined form is, we have a small trick, that is metal reactivity series. In metal reactivity series, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead. We have above the hydrogen. The metals which are present in metal reactive series above the hydrogen are more reactive. More reactive means they are in existing combined state. Metals like copper, silver, gold and platinum, these are present below the hydrogen in metal reactivity series. These are least reactive, which are least reactive are not affected by oxygen, carbon dioxide, non-metals. So these are in native form. So like this elements exist in two forms. So this you have to remember metal reactivity series. Then you can easily remember which are native and which are combined form. Next, abundance of elements. So abundance of elements not in same ratio. Different elements abundant in earth crust in different percentage. For example, you go for oxygen. It is in 49.5%. And you go for next silicon. Silicon is nearly 25.7%. Next you go for aluminium. This is nearly 8.31%. And next you go for iron, nearly 4.7%. and you go for next calcium nearly 3.4%. Means in earth crust different elements exist in different ratios. Most abundant element is oxygen, second most abundant element is silicon, third most abundant element is aluminum. First three you have to remember. Next, among the metals, most abundant metal is aluminum. Among the elements oxygen, among the metals aluminum. Second most abundant metal is iron. Second most abundant element is iron, and this is the percentage of existence or abundance. Generally, elements abound in earth crust in the form of minerals and ores. Minerals and ores. In the form of minerals and ores. What is meant by mineral and ore? Let me go for what is meant by mineral. A mineral is a naturally occurring chemical substance in which metal occur in earth crust. Mineral is a naturally occurring chemical substance in which metal occur in earth crust. And ore, the form of mineral. Ore also the form of mineral, from which metal can be economically and conveniently extracted. It is naturally occurring chemical substance which metal occur in earth crust, and it is the mineral form from which metal can be economically and conveniently extracted. Conveniently extracted is called ore. Here we have to discuss one main important thing. All ores are minerals. All ores are minerals. But all minerals are not. All minerals are not ores. Are not ores. Let me discuss the difference. Generally, elements occur in different forms. For example, you go for aluminum. Aluminum exists in the form of bauxite as well as clay. Bauxite and clay. Formula for bauxite is An2O3 2H2O, and formula for clay is An2O3 2SiO2 2H2O. Both are forms of aluminum only. One is bauxite and one is clay. You go for both bauxite having water and oxygen, and clay having silicon dioxide, hydrogen and oxygen. Means in clay we have the impurities more. Impurities more. Impurities nothing but which are unwanted substances. You go for bauxite. In bauxite only water molecules and oxygen is there. So it is very easy and economically profitable and convenient to extract aluminum from bauxite than clay. That's why bauxite is ore, whereas clay is only mineral. So here we discussed already the definition for mineral and ore. Ore nothing but the mineral form. So bauxite is the mineral form only, which the metal can be economically and conveniently extracted. So it is easy to extract from bauxite. That's why we are selecting only ores. Now, here we discussed that an element can exist in different forms. Already we discussed about aluminum. You go for like that iron. in different forms. The main forms I am writing here, that is hematite, magnetite and siderite. So iron exists in three forms. One is hematite, the next one is magnetite, the next one is siderite. What the formula for this hematite, magnetite, siderite means? Hematite is Fe2O3 and magnetite is Fe3O4 and siderite is FeCO3. Hematite, magnetite and siderite. This Fe3O4 we are calling as magnetic oxide, also important for competitors. Which iron oxide or iron mineral is called as magnetic oxide? That is Fe3O4, that is magnetite. Why it is called as magnetic oxide means it is ferrimagnetic substance. That's why we are calling as magnetic oxide. Or another name we have, that is lodestone. Remember this. Magnetite is well known as magnetic oxide or lodestone. And next, another we have metal, that is copper. Copper also exists in different forms. That is in copper sulfide form, Cu2O form, CuCO3, CuOH twice form, means sulfide form, oxide form, carbonate and hydroxide form. And you go for sulfide, oxide and carbonate forms and their names. First we will go for the carbonate form. This is we are calling malachite. CuCO3, CuOH twice, malachite. And Cu2O we have. This is we are calling cuprite. And now we have copper sulfide. This copper sulfide we are calling copper glans. What we are calling? Copper glans. So like this, copper exists in three forms: copper glans, cuprite and malachite. This you remember that one important thing we have here, Cu2S, that is copper glans, is known as ruby copper also. What we are calling? Ruby copper. Which copper mineral is well known as ruby copper means copper sulfide. This we have to remember for competitive concept. And we have another metal, that is zinc. Zinc also exists in different form, that is in zinc sulfide and zinc oxide, that is sulfide form, oxide form and in carbonate form also. Zinc sulfide, zinc oxide and zinc carbonate. And here very important mineral we have, that is zinc carbonate, we are calling as calamine. Which is we are calling as calamine? Zinc. Which zinc ore we are calling as the calamine or mineral calamine? Zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate calling as calamine. And this is we are calling zinc glans. And this is we are calling zincite. What we are calling? zincite. Zinc sulfide, zinc glass. ZnO is called as zincite. ZnCO3 is called calamine. So this is important for competitive concern. Like this, different elements exist in different forms. Then we'll go for another important point for competitive concern, that is Cl. Some elements in oxide form, sulfide form, carbonate form and hydroxide form, like that. Now, elements which are in sulfide form, Cl, copper glands, zinc glands, these are in sulfide form. Generally, the sulfide form occur in rocks. Remember this. Minerals which are in sulfide form occur in rocks. Why these are occurring in rocks only means metal sulfides are insoluble in water. Remember, metal sulfides are insoluble in water. That's why they are in rocks. And some we have in the form of halides. That is metal halides. These are occur in the form of occur in lakes and in sea. Why these are present in lakes and sea means metal halides highly soluble in water. That's why these are present in lakes and sea. This is the point you have to remember. Why sulfides are present in the form of rocks? Why halides are present in the form of in sea and lakes means that you have those are soluble in water and these are insoluble in sulfides are soluble in water, halides are highly soluble in water. That is the basic points which are present in metallurgy. Now let me go further. What is meant by metallurgy? Metallurgy nothing but the process of extraction of metals. It is the process of extraction of metals from their ores. Metallurgy nothing but the process of extraction of metals from their ores. But it is a big process, extraction of metals. Why means in any ore along with metal some impurities are present. These impurities we are calling as gangue or we are calling matrix. First we have to remove this. That's why first we have to identify the impurity, what type of impurities are present. So here we are going to discuss about extraction of elements. So extraction of elements. Elements may be metals or non-metals. First, extraction of non-metals. So this is a simple process. Non-metals can be extracted by electrolysis process. Electrolysis process. Non-metals can be extracted by electrolysis process. For example, chlorine electrolysis. Chlorine electrolysis. When chloride ions subjected to electrolysis. What I am doing? Yeah, I am preparing chlorine by electrolysis method. I took here chloride ion. Chloride ions are treated with water, that is electrolysis. Then I am getting chlorine gas. Chlorine gas. So OH minus ions, water plus chlorine gas. When chloride ions are subjected to electrolysis, and I am getting OH minus ions, chlorine gas and hydrogen gas. And this is in aqueous position, and this is aqueous position, and this is in liquid. Non-metals extraction by electrolysis method. Here I am preparing chlorine gas. When chloride ions subjected to electrolysis, I am getting chlorine gas. By this method we can extract, we can prepare remaining non-metals also. Now, extraction of metals. Extraction of metals from their ores is a big process. Here, different steps are involved. The process of metallurgy, depending on nature of ore and impurities. So metal extraction. In metal extraction, the process of extraction is depending on type of ore or type of impurities. This you have to remember. The process of metallurgy depending on the nature of ore and impurities. This is the point you have to remember. Nature of ore and impurities. So extraction of metals involves in three steps. That is, first step we have concentration. This is we are calling grinding also. After concentration of ore, we have to extract, that is extraction. Here we are getting crude metal. And the third step, very important step, that is we are getting purification. This is we are calling as refining So extraction of metals, that is the process of metallurgy, depending on nature of ore and impurities. Here three steps are involved: concentration and the extraction. Concentration we are calling as grinding also. Extraction, what we are extracting means crude metal. After getting crude metal, that will be purified or refined. So purification or refining. And before going to next, we have to discuss few important questions for competitors. What type of questions they are asking from basics? For example, the question is given previously: formula for calamine. Formula for calamine. Option A: ZnS. Option B, FeCO3, FeCO3. Option C, ZnCO3. Option D, Cu2s. Cu2s. Calamine formula they ask. First we have to remember that calamine mineral is belongs to which metal? So as I given here, calamine is as zinc mineral. Here we have zinc mineral. Zinc mineral. So our answer is zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate. Next, another question given like this. The magnetic oxide of iron. The magnetic oxide of iron is option A, Fe2O3, option B, FeO, option C, Fes, option D, Fe3O4. Fe3O4. So here we have hematite, ferrous oxide, ferrous sulfide, magnetite. So as I given previously, magnetite is a magnetic oxide. Magnetic oxide. So as we learned before, Fe3O4 is called as magnetic oxide. And few more questions I am giving to you. How they are asking in basics. That is, bauxite is ore of dash. That is first one barium, next one beryllium, next one bismuth, next one aluminum. Bauxite is ore of, previously we learned that bauxite is ore of, go for here, bauxite is ore of aluminum. So our answer is aluminum. And you go for formula for ruby copper is, question is, formula for ruby copper is, ruby copper formula, which one we are calling as ruby copper? Ruby copper is, previously we discussed already, ruby copper that is belongs to copper mineral. Ruby copper is copper mineral. So the options we have to select any one that is ruby copper formula. That is whether copper oxide or copper sulfide or copper carbonate or some other formula. Option A. Cu2O. Option B, Cu2s. Option C, CuO. Option D, CuFeO3. So here, it is Cu2O, ruby copper, and ruby copper formula is Cu2. That is Cuprite is called as ruby copper. Cuprite is called as ruby copper. Cuprite is called as ruby copper. Like this question they will ask for your competitive in basics. In next class we will discuss about extraction of metals. Thank you.